Shay locomotives at Bingham, with grades as high as 7.4% and sharp curves, made the new type of geared locomotives perfect for the Copper Belt Railroad at Bingham. Now we have some wonderful pictures of these Shay locomotives. Some of these are from the Don Strack collection, found at utahrails.net. Look at this photo looking down the canyon. Notice the small engine house in it. The clanking, gear-driven Shay steam engines were powerful but slow. 4 miles per hour. A man could walk faster. So that's the Shays at Bingham Canyon Mine.